Hey everyone, welcome back to another cosplay tutorial video. Today I am showing you how I made my Starfire costume, which I entirely made from scratch down to the pattern, so I'm really excited to show this off, but it'll be focusing on her top and the skirt from Teen Titans, like the older Cartoon Network show. Let's go ahead and dive on into it. So the first thing I had to do was actually draft the entire pattern for this. For the top, I actually had a sports bra that had the perfect racerback setup, so I just put that on and then took some plastic wrap and tape just to figure out how much longer I wanted to make it. I did a similar thing for the skirt where I just wrapped my entire bottom half in plastic wrap and tape and then traced what I wanted for that pattern to start that. Then, just so I can have like an easy pattern piece to work with, I transferred all of that stuff from the plastic wrap and tape and then the sports bra onto just like a cheap cotton muslin fabric to create like my finished patterns. So the top pattern is 2 back pieces and 1 front piece that I am transferring onto this like faux latex purple fabric to create the top. And then the skirt is also technically in 3 pieces. There are 2 back panels and a front panel that I ended up doing on the fold when I traced it onto that purple faux latex. I'm pretty sure it's a Yaya Han fabric. I don't know if it's still in circulation since a lot of those I've noticed haven't been available lately. So then I went ahead and pinned together my 3 skirt pieces and my 3 top pieces. I did French seams in these to finish my edges, so there was no serging. And in the skirt, I did add an invisible zipper as well. And I sewed all of that together with like a purple cotton thread. Now, before I started doing any hemming, I needed to create a silver bias tape for the bottom part of the top. So I used another like stretch metallic fabric that had a latexy look, like a faux latex, and it's in silver. I'm just cutting it and then I'm folding it over twice kind of. So it's like a booklet to create the bias tape at the bottom, and then I'm pinning it all around the bottom of the top. Then I went ahead and pinned in all of my rolled hems, and then I sewed all of the rolled hems, and that's pretty much it to make these. Super simple skirt and top combo. Thanks so much for watching this cosplay crafting tutorial. Sorry if it was a bit of a mess. If you want to see what we made actually with the finished cosplay, make sure to check the links in my description and let me know what your crafting questions are in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see what I'm crafting up next. Bye-bye!